Good morning, students. Today our topic is class 7th SS subject English medium, part number 2, chapter number 1st, the medieval periods. The main point include in this chapter medieval period, features of the medieval period, source of medieval periods, highlights of the medieval period in India. स्टार्टिंग के 3 टॉपिक जो थे वो हम कर चुके थे, लेकिन थर्ड टॉपिक अभी हमारा इनकम्प्लीट है, जिसमें हमारा सोर्स ऑफ मिडवेल पीरियड दे रखा है। तो सोर्स ऑफ मिडवेल पीरियड जो हमारे 2 टाइप से दिखा रखा था, आर्कोलॉजिकल रिसोर्स एंड लिटरेसी। तो आज हम इसमें टॉपिक करेंगे लिटरेसी रिसोर्स, जो कि हमारा पेज नंबर 104 पर है। लिटरेसी रिसोर्स, द मिडवेल एज इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री forms a vital fountainhead of the cultural heritage. It witnessed numerous invaders by the Muslim rulers who spoke Persian, Arabic and Turkish. Thus medieval literacy texts are the found written in these languages, all with Sanskrit. Literacy sources include royal autobiographics, chronicles, religious texts, work of historians and account of foreign travels, the Brahmin and others. Coined to study the sacred book in Sanskrit, but Arabic and Persian remained of the court languages. Royal autobiographics. Firoz Shah Tughlaq wrote his autobiography called Futuhat-i-Firuzani. Babar wrote his memoir called it the Tuzak-i-Babri in Turkish. It is an automatic resource of information of this period. Chronicles. Ziauddin Browni was the 14th century chronicle. He wrote a chronicle which begins with the assassination of Balban and comes down to early years of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Abdul Fauzi wrote Ain-e-Akbari, which gives a detailed account of the administration system of the great Mughal Empire Akbar. Literary work like Raja Turgani by Kalkhana and the Ephetics Prithviraj Rasav by the Chandra Bardai are work of great historical importance. These work throw light on early medieval India's. Next topic, account of foreign travels. India's attracted the attention of many foreign travels. Marco Polo of Venice visited India's 13th century. He left an interesting account of the southern Pandya kingdoms. He also visited Warangal. He spoke highly of the merchants of Gujarat. The Buddha was a native of Morocco and visited India during Muhammad bin Tughlaq reigns. Niccolo Santi, an Italian traveler who visited India in 1420, speak highly in the Hindu kingdoms of Vijayanagar. Archives are the places where old manuscripts, documents and records are stored. Next topic, music. The study of music provides ample scope of determining the life and culture of a particular age. Indian music had reached in zenith by the time of Muslim rules established their kingdom in North India during the medieval times. During this period, musical grammar was already in extensive and at the rather evolved stage. The medieval period saw the development to schools of music, Hindustan and Carnatic. Famous Indian musicians such as Swami Haridas, Tasan and Biusi Barwa, he left their imprint on his history of North Indian music. South Indian music of the Carnatic music was influenced by the Sanskrit musical their theories in instruments music North India invited the tabla stars sorrowed, while the south had its vena, violin and मरीडेगम. नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक स्टार्ट होने वाला है हमारा वो है हमारा हाईलाइट्स ऑफ द मिडवेल पीरियड इन इंडिया. लेट अस नाउ हैव ए cursory glance at the historical trends of the medieval period. We shall study the detail and specify aspect of the early and later medieval period in subsequent chapter. Next topic growth of settlement यानी कि बस्तियों में वृद्धि. The settlement grew in size as population grew in number. Trends changed, technology starts growing and people starts traveling around in search of food and settler. This caused cutting down of jungles and more agriculture growths. Many tribal also start mixing with the settlement and thus mix of traditions and cultures commenced. People from different settlement in different region travel to other regions, so different culture, so different crops, learned new things, new technology advantaged commencements and trade between settlement commenced. Development of travel and trades. ट्रेवल व्यापारी और व्यापार में विकास. Greatly people started traveling to more distant places and travelers from Persia, Arabia, China and other distant foreign lands started visiting this region is explorer and understand the people. These voyages and travels developed trade and exchange of items from different regions of far-flung areas. This message of the travel of the properties in this regions developed wide and trade increased. Today only this topic this topic related book work complete, feel and learn. And next day next topic start social changes यानी कि सामाजिक बदलाव. तो इस टॉपिक से हम नेक्स्ट डे करेंगे. आज के लिए हमारा इतना ही काफ़ी होगा. सबसे पहले आपको ये रीड करना होगा, उसके बाद आपको इसका बुक वर्क फिल करना होगा और साथ साथ लर्न भी करना होगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.